How well can the Mavic 4 Pro handle itself against a leaf blower? What's going on, guys? My name is Dan Davis and I'm the creative director here on DansTube.TV, and I can't wait to see how well the newly released Mavic 4 Pro can handle itself against a super windy condition. The leaf blower is going to be hitting it from all angles, and let's see if it fails at all or if it can handle it with ease. Let's hit it from a few angles and see what it does. It's not even really moving. Literally nothing. Let's hit it from above. Damn, this is wild. Definitely go and check out the other wind test I did on the channel. I tested it against a bunch of different mini drones. Again, I had the same leaf blower and I was attacking it from all angles. 2 of them crashed and the other 2 were struggling with the leaf blower. But the Mavic 4 Pro is just solid in the sky. No matter what angle I'm hitting it from, it's literally got no issues. It's a relatively windy day already, but then on top of that, hitting it directly, you saw how close I was with the leaf blower. It's not even moving, so that just shows you how impressive this brand new drone is. Let's try a few from underneath this time. Literally nothing. It doesn't even seem to move, no matter how many times I'm hitting it on different angles, sweeping motions. No matter what I'm doing, it's having no issues, and those sweeping motions is what caused the other mini drones to crash. So let's try this time flying towards myself. So I'm gonna have it flying on this angle, and I'm just gonna have it directly pointing on this angle. Let's see if that does anything. Honestly, what is going on? This thing's crazy. This video has been sponsored by Iniu, so a massive shout out to them. They will meet all of your power needs. Now, I took the black version of this one with me on my trip to Japan, and it powered my gaming console, my portable gaming console. Did a phenomenal job, and I absolutely love this unit. You can see it's got 140 watt fast charging, which is so cool to see, 45 watt as well, and an 18 watt. So you got 2 USB-Cs and a USB-A. Really love this one, and like I said, I took the black version with me to Japan. Now these two here are very unique, and I'm obsessed with this tiny little one. So a reference point, this is my iPhone 14 here, and we've got this guy here, which is the 20,000 milliamp hour, and then we've got the even smaller 10,000 milliamp hour. So you can see how compact it is. But what I absolutely love about this is it's got 2 USB-Cs and a USB-A. All 3 of them have that. But then this strap here doubles as a cable. So you can disconnect it like so, and then that becomes a USB-C to a USB-C. So you never have to worry about bringing a cable with you. It's always connected, ready to go. I'm out here testing out the Mavic 4 Pro, and so I've got the Aussie Pro 2 with me, and I can use this tiny portable little 10,000 milliamp hour battery with the included USB-C to charge it up. This cable here is a 60 watt ready cable, and you can see it's charging it up, no issues at all. tiny little power bank. On the display, it will actually give me the indication of how much juice it's got. So we've got 72% on this guy. Using the larger power bank here, which is a 25,000 milliamp hour battery, I can charge up the Mavic 4 Pro battery with ease. And this one actually gives me more display on the screen. So it lets me know how fast everything's charging. I can see that I'm getting 58.9 watts of charge from this 60 watt ready cable. So I've just used one of the other cables from the other power bank I just showed you. And you can see I can just charge things on the fly. It's so easy. I thought we would have a few more issues, but honestly, this has really impressed me. The fact that it's not even moving, like it's nothing. No matter how much I do, nothing. It's crazy how stable this thing is in the sky. To be honest with you, I was not expecting the leaf blower to knock this out of the sky. If it did, I would be very disappointed. So I was expecting it to handle the leaf blower, but the fact that it wasn't even moving, the fact that it was so solid and stable in the sky, just brings so much more confidence to me, knowing that I can put this in really any sort of wind condition that you can imagine, and it's going to handle it with ease. That's the end of another leaf blower versus drone video. The Mavic 4 Pro was a huge success. Let me know in the comments below, are there any other drones you want me to test? Drop those comments down there and I will definitely make sure to come out again with the leaf blower and see what a drone can handle, whether it's a comparison with multiple drones or whether you just want to see a standalone drone. Just let me know. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate all the support and I'll chat to you in the next one. Peace.